Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi, if you're new, I'd love if you guys hit that subscribe button down below along with the little bell notification. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And today I'm sharing with you guys a makeup unboxing. I'm so excited. So I got this huge box from PROFUSION Cosmetics and I absolutely love their products. I use them all the time. I have all my palettes right behind me. They're just an amazing company. They're at Target, they're at Walmart. It's a makeup brand that's available at drugstores, which is so awesome and affordable, which I love. And especially with the holidays right around the corner, they make great gifts for friends and family as well. So I think this is their holiday package. And if you guys have been watching my videos for a while, I already pre-opened the box just because I'm horrible at doing that on camera. And so when you open it up, it just has like a bunch of confetti in it, which is so fun. And it's like this really pretty like rose gold confetti. And it's so gorgeous, you guys. Okay, so it has one of their cards and it says thankful and grateful, and thank you so much PROFUSION for sending this to me, and I'm so thankful for every single one of you guys because I made it onto their PR list, which I'm super excited about. And it just goes in depth on the back of like their products, and then it just has a PROFUSION card in here as well, and this just goes on about their company, which is so exciting. And I will have everything listed down below if you guys want to check it out. Just has some confetti. I feel like this is gonna make a mess in my room, but it is very cute, and it has some like sparkly tissue paper, you guys. I am so excited for the holidays. Okay, it came with a few packages. I'm gonna set them on my desk just because holding a box is quite awkward. Oh my goodness, you guys, they sent me so many goodies. We're gonna open these up and I'm super excited to see what's inside of them. So first we have this little package, and inside of this one, guys, this packaging looks like the Naked palettes by Urban Decay. Okay, so this is their eyeshadow makeup case. This is so pretty, you guys. You just open it up and it's a lot like the Urban Decay palette. So it has a brush in here and these really pretty colors. Look how beautiful these are. Oh my goodness. I think my favorite one is probably this one or that one because they're so sparkly and their brushes are so fluffy. This makes me so happy. Look how fluffy that is. And it's kind of like a pink rose goldy kind of palette. Oh my gosh, the names are so cute. Love Story, Hot Shot, Private, Personal, Halo. Oh my goodness, this is probably going to be a new favorite of mine. One of my favorite things about PROFUSION Cosmetics is on the back of all of their products, like the eyeshadow palettes at least, they kind of give you like a step-by-step tutorial, which is so perfect because if you're like me, I just recently started getting into makeup and I'm still very new to the game, and it's so helpful to have like a little demonstration on how to do it. If you guys would want to see like a tutorial using this palette, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. But that is so cute. We're gonna open up the next one. Ooh, okay, so this is their Bare Lips to Go 3-piece velvet lip kit. That is so beautiful. I love neutral colored lipstick like I'm wearing it right now. So this just has like a lipstick, a lip gloss, and a lip liner, and I seriously love their lip products. They smell so good. I'm so excited to try this one out. I'm just obsessed with all of the packaging. Look how cute this is. It's like black and then like sparkly rose gold. It's so beautiful. It's such a fun color combination. So this is their light to medium beautiful brows. So it comes with a brow primer, highlight, and then like the taupe in soft brown, but it also comes with like a spoolie and like a little brush in there with another little brush for the palette. This is awesome. I am actually using one of their brow palettes for my eyebrows right now, and I love this so much because their products just go on so nicely. Oh my gosh, this palette is beautiful. Look at all of those fun colors, and this one is so sparkly. We're gonna open this up. Look at these colors. Okay, let me know which one's your favorite. I am just like drawn to this blue color. I've never worn blue eyeshadow before, but that one is just so pretty. I need to learn how to do eyeshadows because this palette is gorgeous. Okay, there's 21 different eyeshadows in here, which is awesome. Again, it kind of tells you a step-by-step tutorial on it, which is great, and it has like a little demonstration going on, which is very helpful for the newbie like myself. And the last thing in here, and this is the biggest packet, we're gonna open this up. So this is their Silver Sparkle Mixed Metals, and this just comes with a highlight, some blush, some eyeshadows. I don't know what this is. This looks like a sparkly eyeliner. Guys, I'm gonna be set for the holidays. And then just a little fun brush. This is seriously so cute, but wouldn't these make the cutest Christmas presents, you guys? Because the packaging is just gorgeous, but also like who doesn't love getting makeup, you know? So I'm so excited to try all of these out. I had so much fun unboxing all of these products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to shop any of these items, I will have them listed down below along with Profusion's Instagram and like their other social medias and their website, of course. But thank you so much, Profusion, for sending these to me. I'm so excited to try them out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and watching my videos as well. And if you are new and haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. But I'll see you guys very soon with my next one. Bye guys!